Cheers.
Welcome aboard Falcor. I'm Leslie.
And I'm Steven.
We are a couple of adventure seekers from the mountains who traded it all in for a new life at sea. Together, we've mastered the art of tiny living in a camper, traveled to amazing places around the world, and now we've begun an endless saga of adventure and boat work aboard our 1981 CNC Landfall 38 Falcor. We invite you to tag along for the ride and support our journey by hitting the subscribe button and joining our Patreon community. This week on Falcor Sailing, we spent a few relaxing days on the Gulf side of the Florida Keys. Our spirits were high, the sunsets were top-notch, and we were both smiling as big as ever. Today we're taking you along on a sail from Islamorada to Marathon and eventually landing just south of Big Pine Key, where we'll stay put for a little while to explore. Step aboard, enjoy the ride, and help us keep a lookout for those pesky crab pots along the way. Thanks for tuning into this week's episode of Falcor Sailing. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share it with a friend, and hit the subscribe button to continue tagging along for the ride.